Tincture considerations. Before giving anyone a tincture, let them know it contains alcohol. For some people, no amount of alcohol is acceptable. Since many people do not know what tincture are, it is helpful to say directly that it contains alcohol. Some people will be puzzled by this, but those who avoid drinking alcohol will appreciate you letting them know. It is helpful to have remedies for common ailments in non-alcohol forms such as glycerin, capsule, powders, and tea. Tinctures are often strong tasting, and it is helpful to dilute the medicines before administering. The tincture can be put in a small disposable cup with some water added to it. The cup then be refilled with water as a chaser. Reasons for using tinctures in first aid. They are convenient and have no special storage requirements. They are ready to administer and do not need further preparation. They are concentrated and smaller amounts can be effective. It is easy to have an assortment available to prepare a personalized formula. There is a lot of individuality when it comes to how much and how often to use a specific medicine for an individual. For this reason, it can be helpful to initially try a small dose of medicine to see if it helps with acute symptoms such as pain and doesn't cause any unwanted effects such as excess sedation. Be cautious using medicines with pregnancy. Consult if not sure.